Our friend Lisa Dolliver, who used to have a shop next door to us, is a master potter. We have some of her work in our house, and she's amazing. And she was commissioned to make these two stunningly beautiful planters that will hang on the wall. And so now we need to come up with a way to wire them. And thank you, Lisa. So many potters just make this and don't put any holes in it. So you have to glue something on the back, which makes me nervous. So what we came up with, and we'll just show you one of them, is she has a hole here and a hole here. And so this is called a T-nut. And I put a little rubber padding on it here. Normally this would be in a piece of wood, but I'm going to use this to go through here. Now this hole's a little closer, so this one was ground flat, so it'll fit in. And so this goes like this, like that. That's going to go on. This one goes on like this. And I'm not going to put D-rings on these because they would just swing up and down. I'm going to wrap the wire right around the screw. So take the wire, wrap it, it's actually not a screw, it's a bolt. We're going to take the wire, and it's going to be tightened this way, so I want it to go this way. I'm just going to make one really tight twist on it here. All right. Now, this is going to get tightened down and clamp everything in place. You have to be careful when you're working with pottery. You over tighten something and you can break it. And so that's on there really good now. And now we're going to come around here. I'm going to keep this fairly tight. Let me grab my I'm going to bring this one around twice because it's a little harder to wrap. Okay, now that will hold it, but I want to tighten these down a little more. This is going to be hung up with one of these brass hooks. Here, I'll open this up to show it to you. This has 3 nails, 3 of these little teeny nails. And I would never ever do this, but this is rated by the manufacturer into wallboard to be able to hold 70 pounds. Again, I would never risk that. However, to hold something like this when it's all filled up with dirt in a plant, you know, maybe it'll weigh 10 pounds. So this is going to hold it just fine. Thanks, everyone, and let's hope Lisa loves it.